start. 12c multiply. Multiply is simple. We have to use the exponent law. When we have multiply, the powers are added. So remaining numeral numbers multiply simple. 7 4s are 28. Here is minus, so it is of plus. So that's why answer will be in minus. X raised power 2 into x raised power 3. In multiply, powers are always added. So 3 plus 2 5. 3, if no power is given, it's mean the power is 1. So 3 plus 1 4. Similarly here we can cancel square and p raised power, it's mean 1. So 2 plus 1 3. 1 plus 2 3. When we have to multiply, we have to multiply with all. Fine, not with one. So with this, with this, with this. So 3 2 is the 6 along with the sign. 3 2 is the 6, x raised power 1, x raised power 2, it's mean 3. Minus minus plus. 3 5 is the 15, x into x, x square. 6 3 is the 18, plus into minus, minus 18x. Similarly, if I have to multiply, I have to multiply with all. Also, the powers are going to be added every time. Here we have two brackets, so we can choose one bracket. Like here I have choose this one. So first of all I take this number. So x multiply with all, then minus 3 multiply with all. Fine. So x into x, x square, 8x minus 3x plus minus minus 24. Now 8 minus 3 5. Fine. We have to simplify up to it can be. Similarly 5x multiply with all plus 4 by multiply with all. Then we get the two like terms, so we have to calculate. As because 15 is greater, its symbol is minus, so that's why answer will be in minus. Similarly, in this case, I multiply with 2x with all, then 9 with all. Then we have to calculate according to the power. Fine. Try to arrange the answer degree wise. 4 3 2 1 0. Here is no variable of x, it's mean the degree of x is 0. Similarly here we have to multiply. First of all I multiply with 4x square whole, then minus 4x with whole, then plus 1 with whole. Fine. Whenever you are multiplying, then multiply with the sign also. Means minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus 4 into 1 minus 4, minus 4 minus 2 plus 8, and powers are always added. Fine. Similarly here multiply with all. It has 1 2 3 4 and it has 3, so that's why I choose this one to multiply. So 2x square with all, minus 5x with all, 3 with all, rest same calculation. Fine. Here it is divide. So firstly, because we have only one term, so we divide simply. Whenever we have divide, the powers are always subtracted. So 9 5s are 45, minus goes 2 up, 7 minus 4 3. Here we have two rational numbers, so that's why we have to solve it, we have to make it get its reciprocal. Fine. Simply now x square cancel with x square, z cancel with z, sorry, y cancel with y. Here z cube, here z power 1, so 3 minus 1 2, remaining it can be calculated. Here we have 3, it's been trinomial and we have to divide with this, so we have to put it separately. Fine. Then 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15. Whenever you have minus over here and minus in the question, so do one thing, here just put plus, keep the minus along with this and minus this, so you can cancel easily, otherwise you will get little bit confusion. Plus into minus, minus, plus, here is no sign, it's mean plus into minus, minus. M cancel with m, here is n square, here is n, so power is 1, 2 minus 1 1. Similarly 1 1 power cancel, means subtraction, minus 1 we get mn. Similarly n cancel with m, here is cube, here is power 1, so 3 minus 1 2. After again divide, so this is a divide like this. Fine. Because we have binomial over here, so Here we have minus 2x square, so we have to multiply x, so it can be minus 2x square. So that's why we multiply it with minus 2x. Minus 2x into x is minus 2x square. Minus 2x into plus 1 minus 2x. Fine. Always change the sign. If it is minus, then write it plus. If it is minus, then write it plus. Cancel. Now you have to use sign of 2x as plus. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3x plus 3. So we have to multiply the number with x, so it can be 3x. So plus 3. So 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 1, 3. Sign changes, cancel. So this is our required answer. Here also, here is x cube, here is x. So we have to make x as x cube. It's mean we have to multiply with x square. X square into x, x cube. Also x square into 4, 4x square. Fine. Also multiply with the symbol. Sign changes, cancel. Minus 9 plus 4. Answer will be minus 5 because 9 is greater and its symbol is minus. Take the next number. So we have to multiply x, so it can be minus 5x square. So according to this, so we multiply with minus 5x. So it will become minus 5x square. Minus 5x into minus 4, that is plus 20. Sign changes, it cancel. 26 minus 26 because we have to choose this symbol. Fine. Then here we have 6, so it's mean we have to multiply with 6, so it can be 6x. So multiply with 6. 6 into x, 6x. 6 4s are 24. Sign change, cancel. Fine. Similarly, the next question. Here I am explaining question number 7. Fine. So first of all, it is 2x square, so we need 6x raised power 5. It's mean we have to multiply with 3x cube. Okay, so 3 2s are 6. X square into x cube is x raised power 5. Then 6 3s are 18. Okay, always place the value with the same power, same degree. Fine. So we can calculate. We get here 10x square, 10x cube, so on. Next, when we have to 2x square multiply with minus 5x is minus 10x cube. But if you multiply 5x with 6, you will not get the answer in square. You will get as a simple power with power 1. So it is only minus minus plus 30x. So place your 30x just after the 30x, means these literal value should be same. Only you can calculate with the like terms. Fine. So sign change, it also cancel. We get 3x square minus now 9. So how? Now we need here 3x square, but it is a 2x square. So what we did, if we multiply with 3 by 2, because 3 by 2 into 2x square you get as a 3x square. And when I multiply 3 by 2 with this minus 6, we get 9. So we have to think according to this number only. Fine. So multiply, you get your required answer. Now this is little bit different question. So see, first of all, here is x cube. We have to make it x as x cube. So multiply with x square. Fine. When I multiply with x square, so I get x cube. But after this I get 3x square. But there is no x square. So that's why we have to write it separately. Change the sign. As because its power is greater, so it should be first. Fine. Now we have to make it 3x square. So multiply with the x minus 3x. So we get minus 3x square. But minus 3x into 3 is minus 9x. But here is no 9x value, so that's why we have to write it separately. Fine. Then change the sign. Whatever we are getting after calculation, we have to change their sign only. Fine. Not this. So we get this, again we multiply, we get our required answer. Okay, I am explaining this one, bigger one question. See, here is x raised power 6 minus y raised power 6 multiply with x minus y. So first of all, Obviously, if I multiply with x raised power 5, then I get x raised power 6. But when x raised power 5 multiply with y, we get minus y x raised power 5. But here is no terms like this, so we have to write it separately. Change the sign because its degree is greater, so and calculated with x, so I write it first. Now I have to multiply it with, so it can be y x raised power 5, so I have to multiply with y x raised power 4. I get this, and when this term multiply with y, we get y square x raised power 4, because we have y raised power 6 which is not same to this, so that's why we have to write it separately. After this again we have to make it this, so multiply with y square x cube. Fine. When this number multiply with y, we get this, which is different from this, so that's why we have to write it separately. Sign change, then again I place it here. Fine. Then again I have to make it as this term, so I multiply with y cube x square. We get this, but after multiplying y cube x square with y, we get this answer, which is different from this, so we have to write it separately. Cancel. Next again I have to make this term as, so I have to multiply with x, so I multiply with y cube x square, so I get this, so we get the next answer. Fine. Y for x, so I get this answer. Now I have to make it as multiply, I need this answer, so I have to multiply with y raised power 5 only, because here is now only single x, so no need any value of x, so I multiply it with y raised power 5. I multiply with same with y, I get the same value. Cancel. So that's why its answer is like this. Fine. Hope so you understand. Same way, I think this one is also same. If you see, this is x square, so multiply with x raised power 4. Fine. You get x raised power 6, multiply with this, you get power 4, so write it separately. Now write it first, multiply with 2x square, we get x square, there is no x square in question, so we have to write it separately. Write here, then multiply with 4, you get your required answer. Thank you, have a nice day. Please, those work is not completed, submit strictly, otherwise I have to report to the office. Thank you.